collision studies hue. This sprawling complex is the heart of the militextile supply chain. Every day,
stations. Here in the blending stage, raw cotton is combined with polyester inside massive rotating drums, ensuring
we are seeing peak stress right at the warp threads.
Noted. Tearing occurred at 1,500 newtons.
the AI identified a critical alignment failure here.
Mark that section immediately and reroute the roll for detailed inspection.
Using laser guides, the automated tables and skilled workers ensure military precision, meticulously aligning the camouflage pattern for the final uniforms.
Check the alignment here at the shoulder seam against the digital overlay.
Reading 99.8% consistency. It passes inspection, sir.
Look at the fluctuation here on the digital readout.
It's consistent with the previous run. The seams are resisting the heavy pressure. This facility represents the pinnacle of logistics.
Checkpoint 4, confirm manifest Charlie 2.
Manifest confirmed, officer. Strap secured.
Roger that. Convoy, move out.
Clear the bay doors. Forklift coming through. Roger, moving these crates now. Keep them coming. Here is your main issue. Vests and helmets are right over there. Roger that. Go, go, go! Secure the objective. Moving to cover. Watch the breach.
Watch your spacing. We have movement on the ridge line.
Over.
Over.